Ever found yourself in a situation where you needed a quick and convenient way to make online payments, but paysafe wasn't an option? Maybe you're looking for a more secure alternative, or perhaps you're simply curious about the other options available. Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online payment methods and exploring the best alternatives to paysafe. Understanding paysafe. Before we delve into the alternatives, let's quickly recap what paysafe is all about. Paysafe is a leading global payment solutions provider that offers a range of services, including e-wallets, prepaid cards, and online cash solutions. While it's a popular choice for many, it's not the only game in town. Alternative payment methods. E-wallets. PayPal, arguably the most well-known e-wallet, PayPal offers a secure and convenient way to make online payments. It's widely accepted by merchants worldwide and has a user-friendly interface. Skrill, Moneybooker's Skrill is another popular e-wallet that provides a similar experience to PayPal. It's often used for online gambling and offers competitive exchange rates. Neteller is another great option for online payments, especially for those who need fast and efficient transactions. It's often used for online gaming and gambling. Prepaid cards. Visa prepaid cards. Visa offers a range of prepaid cards that can be used for online and offline purchases. These cards are convenient and secure, as they don't require a bank account. MasterCard prepaid cards. Similar to Visa, MasterCard also offers prepaid cards that can be used for various online and offline transactions. Online cash solutions. Western Union. While not specifically for online payments, Western Union can be a useful option for sending and receiving money quickly. You can use it to fund your online accounts or withdraw money. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, cryptocurrencies have gained popularity as alternative payment methods. While they offer decentralization and security, they can be volatile and may not be widely accepted by all merchants. Factors to consider when choosing an alternative. When selecting an alternative to paysafe, it's important to consider several factors. Security. Look for payment methods that prioritize security features to protect your personal and financial information. Fees. Be aware of any fees associated with using the payment method, such as transaction fees or currency conversion fees. Acceptance. Ensure that the payment method is widely accepted by the merchants you frequent. Convenience. Consider the ease of use and accessibility of the payment method. There are numerous alternatives to paysafe available, each with its own unique features and benefits. The best choice for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. By carefully considering the factors mentioned above, you can find a payment method that suits your online shopping habits and provides a secure and convenient experience. With that said, thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of online payment methods and helped you discover the best alternative to paysafe for your needs. Remember to do your research and choose a payment method that aligns with your priorities. Until next time, happy shopping.